There's a lot to explore. When and why and what it does. Let's find out with Dottie and Buzz.
Here, Buzz, catch.
Careful, you two. Take your ball outside.
Oh, I love my baby sister, but sometimes she makes me really cross.
Oh. Why is that then, Dottie?
Well, 'cause I get into trouble a lot more since she was born.
Yeah. Oh, Dottie, look at those apples. Mmm.
Oh.
Would you like one?
Are they your apples?
Well, they belong to Mr. Whipple. He lives next door.
Oh, I've never seen Mr. Whipple. What's he like?
Well, he's very old and he sleeps for hours and hours and hours.
Oh, he must be very tired.
Mum takes him lunch every day. I go too sometimes. He always looks very sad. Mum says he's very lonely.
Oh. I would like an apple, Buzz.
Yeah, me too. Well, we could ask him if we can have some. Mm.
Yes, but he's probably asleep.
Well, perhaps we could borrow one or two. He wouldn't mind.
No, I don't think so.
Let's go through the gap down there.
OK. Oh, look, Buzz. Lots of apples. They're a bit high up, though.
Yeah. I know.
What?
Maybe I could stand on that chair.
Yes.
Here you go, Dottie.
Yes. Oh.
Oh. Ah, yes. Ah. Oh, dear. What? Let me see. Oh, yes.
I wonder who's in the photograph.
Oh, dear. Just. Oh! Ah! 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 Ow! Oh dear. Who's there?
Oh, it's me, Dottie, and Buzz.
You all right there, Buzz? Now, what are you doing in my garden?
Oh, well, your apples. They looked so nice, and we wanted to ask for some, but we thought you might be asleep.
Oh, so you thought my garden
and help yourselves to my apples and...
Sorry, Mr. Whipple.
Sorry, Mr. Whipple. I promise we won't ever come into your garden. Ever again.
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. But next time when you come in, you can have a glass of my secret recipe lemonade.
Brilliant!
Does that mean that you're not cross with us?
Well, it means I forgive you.
Thank you, Mr. Whipple.
Now, are you too tired to do any more picking up of apples? Because if you're not, you could do me a favor by picking up some of these windfalls before they go bad. Perhaps your mum would like some of them, eh, Buzz?
Thanks, Mr. Whipple.
Got one. Oh, there's another.
See you tomorrow.
Oh, there you are. Ooh, what a lot of apples.
We were in Mr. Whipple's garden. We sort of borrowed some apples off his tree.
Borrowed some apples?
Yeah, it's all right, though. Mr. Whipple said he forgave us.
Yes, and we helped him to pick up his windfalls so that they wouldn't go bad.
Yeah, he even invited us to come and have some of his lemonade.
Lemonade?
So what really happened is you went into Mr. Whipple's garden and took some of his apples without asking.
He's got lots of them, so we didn't think he'd mind.
You've got lots of toys in the garden. How would you feel if Mr. Whipple came and took some of them without asking? I think Mr. Whipple has been very kind. You should do something nice for him.
We could
Make him an apple pie and give it to him.
as a present.
Can we, Mum? Can we, please?
Please.
What a good idea.
This is fun. I like helping.
That looks nice and flat.
Yeah, bit bumpy in the middle there.
Never mind.
There.
Apples. Things go wrong and we do what we shouldn't. People tell us off and we wish that they wouldn't. Saying sorry is the thing to do. Saying sorry is the thing to do. As long as you mean it so your friends forgive you.
There you are.
Oh,
Oh, yummy.
yeah.
Oh, yummy. Ah,
Oh, lovely lemonade.
would you like some?
Yes, please,
please,
Mr.
Mr.
Whipple.
Whipple.
Thanks again for the lovely pie.
Saying you are sorry never feels very easy. But then when you've done it, you will feel bright and breezy. Saying sorry is the thing to do. Saying sorry is the thing to do. As long as you mean it so your friends